Yo, listen. From the roots of the ancestors, hear the sound. If you share the heritage, stand up and be proud. One be late. Identify. I be Igbo man. Check the spirit, check the pedigree. Son of the soil, born to be free. I no hide my name, I no change my tone. I claim the power that is mine alone. Onye jua juju, onamutaye. If you feel the passion running through your vein, step forward, guzoto. Carry the legacy, carry the pride. From the market square to the corporate hall. Answer the call when the ancestors call. From the ancient grounds where the truth is found, where the rhythm of the beat make the soul rebound. Make the world know, say we know they carry last. We building the future, we breaking from the past. With the spirit of the water and the power of the land. The wisdom of the ages in the palm of our hand. Solid like a rock, we be the pillar of the place. Every generation stepping up with the grace. We master the trade with the skill of the wise. From the rhythm of the work to the lights in our eyes. We don't need a map just to show where we've been. The mark of the builder is the work that we win. With a hammer, a pen, or a seat at the helm, we're expanding the borders of our own sacred realm. It's the spirit of commerce, the pulse of the street. We turn every challenge into victory sweet. On yeah, now the world we are not ready, that's the law. With the focus of champions, we leave them in awe. Now look to the young ones, the ones where they rise. I see the vision of the future shining in their eyes. Admwaka, what they do. We they build for the ones we go come after. With less of the doubt and more of the laughter. We carry the legacy, we carry the flame. From the village to the city, we gon' spread the name. It's a chain that we forge that will never be broken. Through the songs that we sing and the words that are spoken. From the elders who guided the path in the night, to the youth who are stepping out into the light. We are brothers in purpose, we are sisters in soul. With the drive to be great, we are reaching the goal. Every step is a rhythm, every breath is a beat. We rise from the ground, we can never retreat. And in our bow, so to the top of the head. Carrying the culture, shining so bright.
Identify.
I be Igbo man, son of the soil for the road. Omenalani abi anuangu, I keep the ancient wisdom very bright. No looking back, man, I step with the pride, with the power of my fathers deep inside. I be the builder, the champion, the king. The rhythm is pounding, ani nagba egu. Igbo bibo, ani bundim peri. Hear the sound when the drums start to ring. I build the foundation, I build up the home. I be Igbo man, wanna check the name. Listen. No matter where you go, remember the road that leads back. Akulo, your wealth, your wisdom, your hand. Everything you build, bring it back to the soul that gave you life. We know they forget our root. Ani bundin bari, ani buribo.